In this video, I'll show you how to build a task management app in Replit. First, sign into your Replit account and click Create REPL to start a new project. Once your workspace is ready, open Replit Agent from the AI panel. Next, copy the task management app prompt provided in the description of this video and paste it into Replit Agent. The prompt will instruct the AI to generate a complete task management application with all the essential features. After that, submit the prompt and let Replit Agent generate the project. Review the generated files, accept the suggested changes, and wait for the project setup to finish. Now, click Run to launch the application. Test the main features, such as creating tasks, editing tasks, marking tasks as complete, and deleting tasks. If you'd like to add more functionality, simply ask Replit Agent to continue improving the app. Finally, save your project and deploy it using Replit's built-in deployment tools so you can access your task management app from anywhere and share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a task management app in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.